Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackU.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Alpinestars Halo short riding gloves. Okay, the all-new Halo gloves retail for $114.95. As of the time we're shooting this video, please understand we don't update the videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's begin with sizing. I've got on a 2X right now. That is the size I would wear in most common gloves. I've got a good, comfortable fit with a tremendous amount of dexterity. This is another one of the gloves in the current crop of Alpinestars gloves that is using a technical abrasion and tear resistant stretch fabric on the back of the hand. We first saw this being used in their GP Tech race glove, which my son Max has used for a couple of seasons while competing in Moto America. He absolutely loves those things. The dexterity and feel is epic. It's almost like not wearing a glove. The Halo is very similar to the Morph street and sport gloves that we reviewed. Its price is to the lower end of those two offerings. And I got to tell you, I really like this one. When I read the product description, because it says right here, A-Stars Adventure Tech, right? You can see that logo there. Just, kind of designed, right, for off-road riding, but it has all the features and benefits that you would use for a short street glove too. And adventure riding is a combination of both on and off-road, right, for sure. So this glove is intended to be used in both environments. And I would say even for a street rider, this is going to be a great choice for you. This is going to be a solid blend of protection, airflow, comfort, and dexterity. I mean, it hits every one of the marks. And on all the gloves that I just listed, that Morph series, the street and the sport, and then this one, man, this one really kind of stands out of all three of those. It's not quite as robust as the Morph Sport, right, which is the higher end of them, if you will. It's a little more expensive at the $149. This one comes in at $114. This is very close. You've got your technical, right, abrasion-resistant stretch at the back of the hand, little goat skin motion panel there. Has the over-injected knuckle protector that we first saw on the GP Tech race glove. There is some foam padding behind that, of course. Got goat skin overlays on your fingers with knuckle protectors built in. Nice mesh fabric in between each of the fingers. Tremendous airflow is picked up when you do that. Technical abrasion-resistant fabric there, covering the thumb. Memory foam inserts to protect from impact. Touchscreen compatibility on the index finger and the thumb. Goat skin palm. Double stitched external seams. A lot of comfort is found through that. We've got an overlay here in the palm with an abrasion resistant fabric. A large piece of memory foam there to protect the palm. Stretch fabric insert is done between the index finger and the thumb. The reason they do that is when you put your hands on the bars and you extend and you go for the brake lever, right? Instead of having just a leather panel right there, where if the glove's a little tight from tip to tip here, when you go to extend, it won't go out all the way, right? The glove will kind of be fighting you. By having that stretch fabric right there, it just allows that to happen naturally, super comfortable. It's a great feature. One that I really love. Additional goat skin overlay is used here in the palm. That's the area where your hands are going to touch the bars for the most part. Helps to keep the service life of the glove a little higher. Entry and exit is done here with Velcro. All in all, what do I think? I think this one, when I look at that whole line of gloves, that Morph Street, Morph Sport, and then this Halo glove, this one, I got to tell you, if your focus is airflow and dexterity and you're willing to sacrifice just a little bit of protection, because with the sport version, you do pick up a little bit more protection. Watch that video too, and you'll see the difference in the two gloves. It's not massive, but boy, I got to tell you, the comfort of this one is epic and the airflow is going to be epic. This one deserves to be considered when you're looking at those two as well. Choose the one ultimately that is best for you and your needs. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.